Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you some easy tricks to get glare-free photos of your art. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, proceed to the following step in your project. Select the element, then search for female with glasses to filter results. This will help you quickly identify the specific element you need. Select the photo with glare on the glasses. Open the editing tools and choose the glare removal option. Adjust the settings carefully to minimize reflections. Review the changes and save the edited photo once the glare is effectively reduced. Resize the image as shown. Next, click Edit, then select the Magic Eraser tool. Use it to remove unwanted parts quickly and cleanly. Adjust the tool size if needed for precision. This feature helps refine your image effortlessly before saving your edits. Select the image, then zoom in for detail. Adjust the brush size by dragging the slider to reduce its diameter, allowing for precise editing and control over your work. Write each item clearly, one by one, just like that. Then, click the Erase button to remove any mistakes or unwanted content. This helps keep your work neat and organized. Repeat the process as needed for accuracy and clarity. Test the feature to ensure it works correctly before proceeding with the next steps. Play the image, then resize it by dragging the corners inward to make it smaller. Begin adjusting from the inside edges to maintain the aspect ratio. Continue resizing until the image fits your desired dimensions within the workspace. Release to set the new size. Adjust the view by selecting the side panel here. This allows you to access additional options and tools quickly. Use the side menu to navigate between settings and features efficiently, streamlining your workflow and improving productivity with easy access. Consider this carefully. Pause and reflect on the details before proceeding. Take your time to assess the situation thoroughly. Slow, deliberate thinking increases the chance of success. Avoid rushing to conclusions or actions. By thinking slowly and methodically, you can identify key factors that might be overlooked otherwise. This approach helps prevent mistakes and ensures a better outcome. Let your mind process the information step by step. When decisions are made thoughtfully, the likelihood of achieving your goal improves significantly. So give yourself the space to think clearly and patiently. With this mindset, you can hope for positive results and effective solutions. Remember, slow thinking often leads to better success. Click the Erase button to remove the selected item. Confirm the action if prompted to ensure you want to delete it. This will permanently erase the content, so make sure you have saved any important information. Use this feature carefully to maintain your project's accuracy and organization. Check for any changes by refreshing the page or navigating to the updated section to confirm if new information has been applied successfully. First, select the area where you want to apply the feature. Then, use the tool to perform the desired function within the selected space effectively. Click the Erase button to remove the selected item from your project immediately. Ensure you want to delete it before proceeding. Now, let's compare this image with the original to assess any improvements. Open both images side by side for easy comparison. Examine details, colors, and clarity carefully to identify changes. Note any enhancements or areas needing further adjustment. This comparison helps evaluate the effectiveness of the edits. Take your time to ensure a thorough and accurate assessment before proceeding. Here is the original version, and this is the one we just used in my decorator. Notice the difference in appearance between the two, highlighting the effect of the decorator on the element style and behavior within the application. To remove glare from glasses, edit the image slowly and carefully. Adjust the highlights and shadows to reduce glare without distorting the image. Continue refining the edits gradually until the glare is minimized and the overall image looks clear and natural. When you're satisfied with your work, click Download. To improve image quality, increase the size before downloading. This ensures you get a high-resolution version ready for use or sharing. Now you know how to remove reflections when photographing artwork. Like and subscribe for more photo tips.